Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and fine. This is Prashant Joshi. I am M.Sc. B.Ed. I am M.Sc. in Mathematics. I am having more than 20 years of teaching experience. I taught in many CBSE schools, state board schools, ICC schools and IGC schools also. I love to teach mathematics, science and mental ability. Now, in the month of July, on YouTube, I will be covering few important topics of class 9th as well as class 10th. In class 9th, we are going to cover two important chapters. That is, the first chapter is set and the second chapter is parallel line. In chapter set, we will be starting with right from the definition of the set. Then what are the methods of writing the sets? We will be covering types of sets, then subsets, equal sets. Then we will be covering Venn diagrams, operations on set, that is what is intersection of the two sets, what is union of two sets, what is complement of set, then how to solve the numericals using Venn diagram, which is going to help you not only in your syllabus, but it is definitely going to help you to prepare for any competitive examination. Because if you look the papers of any competitive examinations like NTSC, they definitely ask the questions on Venn diagram. So this chapter is very important for you, not only for your class 9 syllabus, but it is very useful for the competitive examination also. The next chapter that I am going to take, that is from part 2, that is geometry, that is parallel line. That is also very important chapter. In this chapter also, we are going to discuss right from the definition of parallel line. Then what are the properties of parallel line? What do you mean by transversal? What are the types of angles formed when the lines are intersected by transversal? Then we are going to discuss about alternate angle test, correspondence angle test, interior angle test. Then from many years, you have been using the theorem, that is sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. But in 9th class, using the parallel line, we are going to give the proof of this theorem. So all these theorems will be covered in detail. Not only theorems and these properties, but whatever the questions which are based on this one, that will be covered in this chapter. Now this is about class 9. Now in class 10th, we are going to cover two important chapters. The first chapter is Quadratic Equation. Now in this chapter, we are going to start from what do you mean by quadratic equation. Then what are the methods of solving quadratic equation? There are three methods of solving quadratic equation. The first method is splitting the middle term, factorization by splitting the middle term. The second method is completing square method, and the third method is formula method. All these methods we are going to discuss in detail. Not only these methods, but the application to the word problem, because word problems are definitely asked in the board examination. So how to solve this word problem using these methods, that also I'll explain in detail. The next chapter that I'm going to discuss is very important chapter, not only for your class 10, but is for class 11th and 12th. That chapter is very important. That is the base of your class 11th and 12th. That chapter is trigonometry. In trigonometry, we are going to study right from trigonometric ratios. Then what do you mean by complementary angles? The questions which are based on complementary angles. Then trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. And then trigonometric identities. Now in this chapter, you need to remember the trigonometric ratios. But once you watch my videos, I can guarantee you, you don't need to learn the trigonometric ratios. We'll give you the tricks to remember the trigonometric ratios. Not only for trigonometric ratios, but I'll give you the tricks to find out how to find the values of some specific angles like the angle of 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Using that tricks, you will be easily prepare the trigonometric table within 30 seconds. So what you need to do, you need to just watch my videos, subscribe our channel so that you will get the notification. Now in this course, during this month of April, we are going to cover these chapters, but along with that we are going to cover all the important questions of your topic, all the HOTS, that is higher order thinking skill questions. So please watch my videos, subscribe our channel, because we are going to prepare you properly for the board examinations as well as competitive examinations like NTSC examination. So please like our channel, subscribe our channel and watch my videos. Thank you all.